it for you guys so you guys will see. Just you guys just take a good look at this vegetable ball, how it's looking, guys. You guys can see. I'm gonna test it for you guys. As you know, I like testing the microwave. Let me test it out. We want you to guys want to see my mouth. Let me just put it this way. Let me just put it this way. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa! Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. It's very, very hot. Mmm. I'm really sorry, guys. If you want to see how I achieve this vegetable meat roll, no. Hello my beautiful people, welcome you all back to Efetiboy Rosemary Kitchen. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. So you guys can see I have another Italian recipe for today. The Italian recipe is vegetable bowls. I present you my ingredients. I have 1 egg, my formaggio, my grounded bread, carrot, potato, and zucchini, as well as my 1 garlic. With this I'll be preparing my vegetable bowls. Salve bella gente, come state? Spero che state tutti bene. C'ho un'altra ricetta da presentare a voi di ricetta per oggi e polpette di verdura. Come potete vedere c'è l'uovo, lascio pan grattato, formaggio, zucchino, carota, patate e un aglio. Con questo qua preparerò questa verdura, polpetta di verdura. Quindi non andate via, se seduto sul vostro divano come sempre, così potete vedere come combinerò come sempre Efetiboy Rosemary. My beautiful people, that wasn't much of a time. Let's go start the preparation for my vegetable bowls for today. Let's go, guys. First thing, guys, that I'll be doing, I'll be blending my vegetables. La prima cosa da fare, devo tritare tutta la verdura. So now I'm going to start by blending my carrots. Okay, my carrots. Let me add the garlic here. And I blend. Carrot I blend already. I'm going to blend my potato. So these are, I'm going to blend everything and I'm going to get back to you guys. See, I've finished blending. Come potete vedere ho finito di frullare. Now I'm going to add little salt. Mettiamo un gocciolino di sale. E poi mettiamo quelle altre cose. Okay guys, it's now time for me to put my egg. Mettiamo l'uovo. Okay, wash my hands. After my egg, I'm going to add my cheese. Mettiamo anche formaggio. Then I'm going to add some dry bread. Then I'm going to mix with my hands, guys. Sorry guys, I'm going to mix with my hands and I'm going to show you guys how it's looking. You can just see it has changed already. Okay, bella gente. Okay, I finished mixing. Okay, so we start the other preparation for forming my balls. Okay guys, let's start the forming of my balls. Oh, don't mind, my washing machine is on, that's why you are hearing all those noises. So this is my ball now. So I'm going to put it in my grounded bread. Oh bella gente, avete visto, ho già cominciato. Mettiamo sul pan grattato e poi mettiamola là. So this is how I'm going to form all my balls, guys. I'm going to put in the grounded dry bread. Okay guys, my groundnut oil is already in my pan. So I'm going to show you guys when I'm through. L'olio è già a fuoco, bella gente. Vi faccio vedere quando ho finito di formare tutto. You can see I've finished. So now it's now time for the frying. So you guys can see I have my oil already on my frying pan. Come put it over there. So let's start the frying, guys. You guys can see. Okay, so allow it to be a normal brownish brown. Okay. Guys, let's try the turn. Oh, it's time for the turning. Okay. Ha ha ha. This is voila voila voila. Okay. This occasion to thank all my subscribers as well as all my returning subscribers for always coming to watch my video. Your amazing comments and like. God bless each and every one of you. Continue liking and sharing my video. God bless you. Thank you. I'm really very grateful. I'm loyal to you. And for those that see my video for the very first time, go hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, guys, you guys will always be the first one to see. So thank you very much, my beautiful, amazing, goody family. So in a short while now, my video will be ready. All right, guys, let's start removing it because now it's ready. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm through. Okay, guys, ready or not, here I come to gonna find me and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You guys can see, potete vedere pronta. You guys can just take a good look. This is recipe rosemary. All right, I'm gonna open inside so you guys can see us looking inside, my beautiful people. Always want us to open it together. All together now. So let's open it together, guys. Let me get this one here. Let me open it for you guys so you guys will see. You guys just take a good look at this vegetable ball, how it's looking, guys. You guys can see. I'm gonna test it for you guys. As you know, I like testing the microwave. Let me test it out. We want you to guys want to see my mouth. Let me just put it this way.